Add more magic to your stay with Hey Disney.
Just a bit of texie dust.
Hey Disney, what's the weather?
The current weather is 82 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today's forecast has lots of clouds and thunderstorms, with a high of 91 degrees and a low of 70 degrees.
Bruni, it's pretty hot today. Would you like a little flurry? I thought you would. There you go. A nice big pile of snow just for you. You're welcome.
Hey Disney, good morning.
Ah, Fozzie Bear here. It's time to stop hibernating and get ready for a great day.
Hey Disney, tell me a joke.
How did Ursula the Sea Witch help Ariel? She gave her a leg up.
Hey Disney, good morning.
Oh, what a beautiful morning. I love how the sun makes the leaves on the birch trees sparkle with gold. It's almost magical. And now they're sparkling and dancing, thanks to you, Gail.
Hey Disney, good night.
Hey, Anna, did you know that koalas sleep for 20 to 22 hours a day?
I did not, Olaf, but that's a very cozy thought.
It is. Good night, Anna.
Good night, Olaf.
Hey Disney, play a soundscape.
Get ready for an incredible journey. Just tell me to play the Frozen soundscape, or play the Pirates soundscape to travel to those worlds. Or say surprise me, and I'll choose one for you.
Play the Haunted Mansion harmonies.
Woohoo! Good call. Haunted Mansion, here we go. And if you need to close the soundscape, just say, "Hey Disney, stop."
Not quite sure how this is Haunted Mansion. Now we're getting into it. The other was just people walking around. Hey Disney, stop. And that's just some of the fun you can have in your room here. If you have little ones with you, you can have it read you a story or play. It'll go on an adventure with you. All kinds of fun just waiting here in your room.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!